Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the FlixVision app to your Amazon Firestick or Android TV device. The whole setup process is really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, you will have to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on the Firestick, open the search bar right here, and start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, the downloader has already popped out at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. You just click on downloader, and now here's this orange app, which you gotta get to your Firestick. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because now we still have to set it up. So in order to do that, we of course have to go to settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. You open it, and in here, what you gotta do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on Firestick, open it, and now here is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we connect to United Kingdom right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to a list of apps near Firestick, locate downloader, there it is, and now basically all we gotta do is open the search bar right here, and now we'll have to enter a code, which is gonna be 492152. So once again, it's 492152. That's the whole code you have to enter. It's really simple, and just like that, enter the code and click on the Go button on your remote. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. In my case, it got a pretty fast connection, so that shouldn't take us more than approximately 10 seconds. Then you click install and just wait a bit until the app finishes installing to your Fire TV stick. And after that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we get an option to delete the installation files, which we don't need anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then if you go and take a look at the list of apps on the Fire TV stick, you will find the FlixVision now. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access this app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And make sure to use the link below this video to get 3 months of service for free. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.